Calculus is the branch of mathematics that deals with the finding of derivatives and integrals of functions. Calculus is made up of two parts: derivative calculus and integral calculus. In calculus, integrals are used to determine displacement, area, and volume on a specific function. Derivative calculus is used to determine the slope of functions and can also be used to determine velocity and acceleration. In derivative calculus, the first derivative is the velocity of the object, and the second derivative is the acceleration of the object. Both can be used to determine speed. If the slopes of both derivatives are either positive or negative, the speed is increasing. If they are different, the speed is decreasing. Calculus is a very important subject. Calculus is the study of how things change. It provides a framework for modeling systems in which there is change and a way to deduce the predictions of such models. Calculus is also used in real life to model functions and determine the acceleration and velocity of objects, and also their speed. Calculus is also used to study change by studying instantaneous change, which is the study of change over intervals of time. Calculus is also used in a wide array of jobs in the real world. Calculus can be used to solve biology problems to economic problems. Me and my partner Connor have mastered calculus, so we are ready to be biologists, mathematicians. We could even get a PhD at Harvard for calculus. Calculus has many important jobs in society. Calculus is the language of engineers, scientists, and economists. The work of these professionals has a huge impact on your daily life, from your microwaves, cell phones, TV, and car to medicine, economy, and national defense. Credit card companies use calculus to set the minimum payments due on credit card statements at the exact times the statements is processed. Biologists use differential calculus to determine the exact rate of growth in bacterial culture when different variables such as temperature and food source are changed. An electric engineer uses integration to determine the exact length of power cable needed to connect two substations that are miles apart. An architect will use integration to determine the amount of materials necessary to construct a curved dome over a new sports arena. Spaceflight engineers frequently use calculus when planning lengthy missions. To launch an exploratory probe, they must consider the different orbiting velocities of the Earth and the planet the probe is targeted for. Statisticians will use calculus to evaluate survey data to help develop business plans for different companies. A physicist uses calculus to find the center of a mass of a sports utility vehicle to design appropriate safety features that must adhere to federal specifications on different road surfaces. Calculus is a vital part of our lives, and if we didn't have it, we would not have many of the technologies that are so useful today. I love calculus. Connor loves calculus. We all love calculus.